Today we will look at one simple hack that will improve your fitness level and also your health. And that too you don't need gym. This hack is backed by scientific studies and also lifetime experience of centenarian. It's proven to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, respiratory disease, many types of cancer and other common health problems. So you may be planning to start something that will improve your health and also your fitness level. And you came across an idea that you need gym. But do you know, joining a gym is a huge commitment. First of all, you need gym membership and other accessories. You will spend time and money to look for best gym and accessories. Second, time management. You have to manage time. And finally, discipline to be consistent. See, all these factors turn down motivation to start a fitness routine. Few people may start, and among them, major will quit after a while. Do you know there are lots of people around the world who are century old, but they didn't went to gym. In his book, The Blue Zone, researcher Dan Burtner mentioned 5 reasons. People here live longer without any access to gym. Those places include Okinawa in Japan, Nicoya province in Costa Rica, Icaria in Greece, Loma Linda in California, and Sardinia in Italy. Their secret is no more a secret or any extraordinary discovery. We all know but never give importance to it. It's not that those people know something that we don't know. We know everything or say more than them, but they follow it. The secret behind their quality life is their walking habit. Walking doesn't look like a new discovery, but it's one of the habits that our body likes. Just remember when you went for an evening walk and felt calm and happy. Body and mind got in sync to enjoy that moment. And now just count how many times you went for such walk. Unlike us, these centenarians go for daily walk. Walking has played a crucial role in human evolution. Back in prehistoric time, people had to walk miles in search of food for survival. Either they hunt or look for edible food to eat. But things started to change. Humans started to harvest and store grains. So there was drop in activity as they can store food that lasts for months. In today's time, we get food just at a click. Centuries back, only 10% of us had sedentary jobs, whereas today it's 90%. Loss of physical activity increased major health problems. Walking is one of the healthiest habits. Hundreds of research are proving it, but above all, there are centenarians who are the proof. These people don't have access to gym, heavy weights, or treadmill, but still they live long and quality life. Without any heavy investment, we can also add such life-changing habit in our routine. Let's look at some of the studies. A recent study from American Cancer Society found that you need 6 hours per week to lower risk of dying from cardiovascular disease, respiratory disease, and many types of cancer. Even walking as little as 2 hours per week could reduce the risk of disease and help you live longer. Walking is also good for brain health. Physical activity plays an important role in brain's neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is known as brain's ability to change throughout a person's life. It's a good news for people who are going through degenerative disease and also good news for people who want to prevent it. Few minutes of daily walk could reduce the risk of dementia by 40% according to Anders Hansen, a specialist from Carolina Institute in Sweden. We don't need to add hours of walking routine. Instead, you can just choose physically active option. You can take stair, walk the walkable distance while going to market or other place. You can take 5-minute break while working on desk. Go on walk with family or friend. There are many more ways to add walking activity. Just look where you can make changes. So if you are convinced to walk more, then this simple hack will prove helpful. Walking in city filled with traffic, pollution, noise and crowd is boring. So you can go where you can enjoy. Simply you can try trekking. People these days are more open to go for trekking to find peace in nature. Daily deadline and overstressed routine drains out energy, creativity, and health. And trekking is a way to charge your mind, body, and soul. Plus, one day of trekking will surpass 2 to 3 days of walking target. And for gym lover, you can also try trekking when you want to take few day break from lifting. Trekking in nature also have healing effect. It cut down stress and also help people with depression. You also get the opportunity to connect with nature and new people. I can list out many reasons to try trekking, but for now, just plan a trip and experience by yourself. Our body is developed to move, not to stay inactive. If you go to gym, you can surely continue it. I am no way promoting to quit it. Gym is good, but to get maximum benefit, you need to stay active whole day with minimum effort. By simple body natural movement, you will double the benefit. While if you don't go to gym, you can stay healthy with simple walking habit. But to get maximum benefit, you need to add simple body weight exercise. Coming to call to action, our body is developed to move, not to stay inactive. You can gain a lot just by adding simple activity. You can walk more by choosing active choices whenever possible, and once or twice in month you can go for trekking. Evening walk is also great. Walk after dinner. There are many ways to add. You just need to figure out what works for you. So what should be daily target? It can be around 30 to 60 minutes of daily walk. Start with 3000 to 4000 steps and keep increasing as you feel comfortable till 7000 to 10,000 steps. If you are planning to add walking habit in your routine, do leave it in comment box. Also leave comment if you want to learn the healthiest habit of centenarian. Do share these tips so that other can also get started. Do give thumbs up if you found something helpful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe so that you don't miss upcoming video.